Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can share your cart on Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to share your card on Shein, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app itself. So once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the cart option. So once you tap on the cart option, you will end up in this page. So simply select the three dots option. So once you do so, you will find share my cart, where you need to tap on the share button again. After you do this, you will have several options to share your shopping cart with. So simply select a medium from where you want to share your Shein cart, and once you select the medium, you will be able to share your Shein cart. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.